Hey everybody. Okay, just a quick video. I'm here moving along with my Space 1999 22-inch Eagle. I have made some progress, as you can see, putting stuff together. Okay, and I got to this one point that is really common sense, but I screwed it up. So I figured I'll let you guys in on a little secret here, just in case. If you've never done this before, because this is my first time doing it. Okay, I've seen a lot of videos on talking about these landing... Geez, what do you call these? I guess these are the landing legs, landing corners. So these little pods here, for lack of a better word. But this is where the feet go, the landing pads go. They go into these, and these are 4 unique ones: front starboard, rear starboard, front port, rear port. So you have to make sure that you put in the right parts in the right place to make 4 distinct ones, because they go in certain spots. They look very similar, but they're just slightly different. They're slightly off. Okay, now this one piece here. Okay, this diagram shows this piece here, and this piece goes underneath this piece here. So here's the piece, okay, and this goes underneath this piece. The trick is, people like me, when you put this together, no matter which one of these you're putting together, you need to make sure that this hole is in the center, or ends up in the center of this, because this is where the legs are going to go through and hook onto. My first one I put together, I looked at the diagram and it didn't quite give me the right impression, and I put it together like this. And this is completely wrong, because I got the bottom of the piece here is where that leg goes through, and there's nothing to secure it. So it is just going to fall right out. So make sure when you glue this to this piece here like this, okay, that's the top part. No matter which one you're doing, this hole ends up towards the center, towards the middle part, not the end part, the middle part. There you go. Okay, that's the tip for the day. Talk to you guys later.